Mr. Lai represents the Hong Kong spirit. After he came to Hong Kong, he greatly admired the atmosphere of democracy and freedom here. Being a Hong Konger from a generation similar to his, I too feel their desire for freedom. So I think, despite the rain, despite the hardship, I must come out to support Mr. Lai. Because he truly is our role model. Although wealthy, he is very righteous.
So now there's no press freedom. You see, Mr. Lai's been detained for so long without any reason. So I came out today out of conscience.